This is a 2010 Honda Pilot. This vehicle has seating for 2 adults, a V6, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, a sunroof, heated seats, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, a premium audio system, leather seats, a trailer hitch receiver, cargo tie-downs, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has less than 21,000 miles. This Honda has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Raleigh Acura is located at 1750 Northern Boulevard in Roslyn. As the 7-time recipient of the Precision Team Award, our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.